Today in this video I will use this hydrogen fuel cell like some electrolyzer for splitting the water to hydrogen and oxygen. And yeah, this is because I have a plan to put apart this cell, because I want to use the components which are in the cell for my other projects, like making some hydrogen metal battery and so on. And also this hydrogen side is now fully cracked. And yeah, these are the reasons that I will put apart this cell. But before I will put apart this cell, I want to make several random experiments. And one of the experiments will be using this hydrogen fuel cell like some electrolyzer for splitting the water to hydrogen and oxygen. Because the construction of the hydrogen fuel cell and the electrolyzer is really similar. Because the working principle of some hydrogen fuel cell is that you pump in some hydrogen and oxygen into the cell, and out you will get some electricity and water like byproduct. But the working principle of some electrolyzer is the opposite, because into the electrolyzer you will put in some water and electricity, and out you will get some hydrogen and oxygen. And what I will do with this cell, first I will fill the entire cell with the water, and then I will connect the cell to my power supply. And then, yeah, I need to generate some hydrogen and oxygen. So guys, remember that this will be just some random experiment with this hydrogen fuel cell before I will put apart. First, I will fill this cell with some water on both sides. Here I have some water. Okay. Here on this oxygen side, the water will come out really easily because the entire end plate is full of holes. But anyway, the carbon material is wet, and now I will fill this hydrogen side with the water. Okay. Here I have some water and soap that I get these bubbles. And the voltage right now which I use is 6 volts and 200 milliamps. So the pipe, this section of the pipe is right now filled with water. Here with the air, and here we also get some hydrogen. But yeah, the production of this hydrogen is quite slowly. So at this moment I increase the voltage to 8 volts. The current is still 200 milliamps. I will also add a little bit of water. Like so. Very nice. So the system is not really efficient, but anyway. So guys, that's it so far, and yeah, we'll see us in the next video. Bye.